The Caseology Nano Pop has found new life under Spigen's umbrella, and I'm happy to report that this simple but effective case design lives on. While the case itself is straightforward, what sets it apart from basic silicone cases is its signature pop of contrasting color that adds visual interest, particularly around the camera module. The dotted grip texture along the sides makes this large phone much easier to handle securely. This year's model brings some modern conveniences to the table, including Qi 2 certified magnetic charging compatibility. However, it's worth noting that while the case works with magnetic accessories, you might encounter some compatibility issues with MagSafe wallets designed for iPhones. The case maintains its slim profile while still offering solid protection through Spigen's air cushion technology, and it's fully compatible with all the S25 Ultra's features, including wireless power share and the S Pen. The color options are more subdued compared to previous Caseology iterations, with choices like blueberry navy, black sesame, and papaya gray, offering sophisticated but still interesting combinations. While not as vibrant as before, these colorways still manage to stand out from the crowd of basic black cases. For the price point, the Nano Pop delivers excellent value, offering a perfect balance of style and protection without breaking the bank. The premium PC and TPU construction feels durable, and the precise cutouts and responsive buttons make daily use a pleasure. If you're looking for a case that's more interesting than Samsung's basic silicone offering, but don't want to spend a fortune, the Nano Pop should be at the top of your list.